Hello and welcome to Cor Fidelis. My name is Stephen. I'm a Latin and theology teacher, and this is my Latin tutorial for the prayer on the Miraculous Medal. Whether you want to upgrade your Miraculous Medal Novena or your prayer when putting on your medal or taking it off, or you just want some more Latin learning, I hope this video helps you. There is no one official Latin version of this prayer. You'll find many, but I think this is the best and the most in line with tradition. Here, I hope to help you understand it and pronounce it well to better pray this prayer in the great language of the Church, Latin. The prayer in English says, "O Mary, conceived without sin, pray for us who have recourse to thee." In Latin, O Maria means O Mary. Sine means without. Labe is spot, stain, or blemish. So labe is the ablative case that goes with sine. Concepta is the feminine conceived. So O Mary, O Maria, sine labe, without stain or blemish, conceived, concepta. And what kind of stain or blemish? The stain of sin, original sin and any sin. Ora means pray, pro, for, or on behalf of. Nobis, us. It's the ablative plural that goes with pro. So, ora pro nobis, pray for us. Qui means who. Ad is to. Te, you or thee. Confugimus is literally we have recourse. So, ora pro nobis, pray for us. Qui ad te confugimus, who have recourse to thee. Now let's break it down part by part and practice your pronunciation by repeating after me. O Maria, sine labe concepta, ora pro nobis, qui ad te confugimus. One more time. O Maria, sine labe concepta, ora pro nobis, qui ad te confugimus. Now let's put it all together. O Maria, sine labe concepta, ora pro nobis, qui ad te confugimus. I hope you found this helpful. If you have, please like and subscribe and share. God bless, et oremus pro invicem.